love my staycation. One day, I went to Puncak with my family. We stay in a cute villa and with a big garden. We play hide and seek, road bike, and eat yummy food. At night, we had a campfire and roast marshmallow. It was so much fun. I love my staycation in Puncak. Thank you, goodbye, and see you, friends. Wassalamualaikum
See you.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi